Hi guys, Kat here. Look what I'm making today. We are experimenting. We are going to be making a chocolate fudge cake waffle. Okay, using Betty Crocker's triple chocolate fudge. So we got our waffle maker ready to go, and let's see how it turns out. I've seen this on Facebook. My friend made it on Facebook and I wanted to try it. So let's see. Is it too thick, honey?
I don't know. Don't know yet.
Yeah,
I think it's okay.
It's experimenting.
I think that's about enough right there.
Yeah,
Let's start with that.
Yeah.
Because it'll expand.
Okay.
Probably.
Okay.
Who knows?
My hubby is helping me today. We are on lockdown. Nothing to do on a Thursday night. So we already had dinner. Felt like some kind of a dessert. So we're making this. So all we do is just follow the instruction on this package. Just, you know, like how you would make the cake. And we're just cooking it using the waffle maker. So, and this is going to take 3 minutes maybe, honey?
Yeah, I should have timed it.
Yeah, so we'll be back. Okay, let's give it a check, honey.
Yeah, let's see. It's almost 3 minutes, so lift it up.
Oops.
And it sticks to the top, but
Ooh.
looks like it's okay. Let's see if I can get this to come out all in one piece, but it might separate. Yeah, it looks like it's separating. It's kind of soft.
Oh.
Yeah, they kind of
Need
separate. Yeah, maybe.
Okay,
There you
wow. Look at that, guys. Cake mix waffle. Here, honey, can you help me pull this? So I want to see what the inside. It's soft. Pretty moist too, honey. Try it. Try it.
Yeah, and then we have some dip here.
Oh yeah. Let's
Some
drink it.
chocolate. Ooh.
Oops, the lighting in the background is. How is it? Good? Let me see.
Yep. Yep.
Let me see. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try some with the chocolate. Chocolate whip. It's actually Duncan Hines whipped chocolate frosting. Okay. I just kind of warm it up. Okay, let me see. That's pretty even simple and fast and tasty, honey. That's pretty good.
Yeah. Good.
It works. There you go, guys. Give it a try.